Did you know a small sensor in your car can cause power loss and waste more fuel? It's called the mass airflow sensor, or MAF sensor. When dirty, it makes your car shake and burn extra fuel. The good news? You can clean it at home in minutes and save money. Stay tuned to learn how simple cleaning can make your car run smoother. 1. What is the MAF sensor and why does it need cleaning? The mass airflow sensor, MAF, measures the amount of air entering your engine so the computer can inject the correct amount of fuel for smooth operation. It's usually located between the air filter box and the throttle body. When clean, it helps your car run efficiently, saving fuel and improving performance. Over time, dust, oil, and pollen can collect on it, causing inaccurate readings. This leads to weak acceleration, poor fuel economy, or even the check engine light turning on. A dirty MAF sensor makes your engine work harder, wasting both fuel and money. Think of it as your car's nose being blocked. It can't breathe properly. Cleaning it restores airflow accuracy, helps maintain power, reduces emissions, and prevents unnecessary repairs. Regular cleaning ensures your car's computer gets the right signals to keep your engine performing at its best. 2. Preparing the tools. Before you begin, gather a few simple tools. You'll need gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from the cleaner spray. A screwdriver or small socket wrench is required to loosen clamps or bolts, and a clean towel will help you keep the sensor safe during cleaning. The main item you need is a can of MAF sensor cleaner spray, specially designed for this task. It dries quickly and leaves no residue. Avoid using WD-40, carb cleaner, or brake cleaner because they can damage the sensor permanently. Make sure your car engine is cool before starting. With just these few items, you can clean your MAF sensor at home in about 15 to 20 minutes. It's a quick and affordable job that can save you hundreds of dollars compared to a repair shop visit, all while improving your car's overall performance and fuel efficiency. 3. Removing the MAF sensor. To remove the MAF sensor, start by opening your car's hood and finding the air filter box, usually a large plastic box near one side of the engine. Follow the tube coming out of it. You'll see the MAF sensor connected along that path. Unplug the electrical connector by pressing its small tab and gently pulling it out. Use a screwdriver or wrench to loosen the clamps or bolts securing the sensor. Once loose, twist and carefully pull it out. Inside, you'll see thin, delicate wires or film elements. Never touch them as they're easily damaged. Place the sensor on a clean towel after removal. This process only takes a few minutes, but must be done with care. Handle it gently to avoid bending or breaking its sensitive parts. Once the sensor is safely removed, you're ready to begin cleaning it properly. 4. Cleaning the MAF sensor the right way. Cleaning the MAF sensor is simple but requires care. Take your MAF cleaner spray, attach the straw nozzle, and hold it about 4 to 5 inches away from the sensor. Spray short bursts around 10 to 15 times, making sure all sides and the inner wires are cleaned. Rotate the sensor as you spray to cover every angle. Never use WD-40, carb cleaner, or brake cleaner. These can destroy the coating inside. Also, never touch the thin wires or use compressed air, as both can damage the sensor permanently. Once done, place it on a clean towel and let it air dry naturally for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Don't reinstall it while wet. Moisture can short-circuit your car's electronics. After it's completely dry, your MAF sensor will be ready to go back into place and perform like new again. 5. Reinstalling and testing the sensor. Once the sensor is completely dry, reinstall it carefully into the intake pipe. Check the arrow on the sensor. It should point in the direction of airflow, from the air filter toward the engine. Secure it tightly using the clamps or bolts and reconnect the electrical plug until you hear a click. Reattach any air filter, housing, or tubing you may have removed earlier. Now, start your car and let it idle. You should immediately notice smoother idling and more consistent engine performance. Press the gas pedal gently. If it responds quickly and feels stronger, that means you've done it right. This quick and simple maintenance job can make your car feel more powerful, improve throttle response, and boost fuel efficiency within minutes. It's a satisfying DIY task that instantly improves your vehicle's performance and longevity. 6. What happens after cleaning? After cleaning your MAF sensor, you'll likely notice an immediate difference in your car's performance. The engine will idle more smoothly, vibrations will reduce, and the throttle response will become sharper. When you press the gas pedal, your car will accelerate faster and feel stronger. Fuel economy will improve too, because the engine is now receiving the correct air-fuel mixture. In many cases, the check engine light might even turn off automatically once the sensor starts sending accurate readings again. You may also notice a cleaner exhaust with less smoke and smoother overall driving. Many drivers say their car feels like new after this simple cleaning. It's an easy and low-cost fix that restores lost power, saves fuel, and prevents future mechanical issues, all from just a few minutes of effort and a $10 can of cleaner. 7. Maintenance tips and how often to clean it. Keeping your MAF sensor clean should be part of your regular car care routine. Ideally, clean it every 6 months or whenever you change your air filter or engine oil. Always use only MAF sensor cleaner spray. Never replace it with WD-40, carb cleaner, or brake cleaner. Change your air filter regularly so dust doesn't reach the sensor. If you're using a reusable air filter, avoid applying too much oil on it, as excess oil can stick to the sensor and cause incorrect readings. Regular maintenance ensures your sensor stays in perfect working condition, improving your fuel efficiency and engine response. Cleaning your MAF sensor takes less than 20 minutes, but can save you hundreds of dollars in repairs and wasted fuel. Make it a habit. Small effort, big reward for your engine's health and your wallet. 8. What if cleaning doesn't fix the problem? Sometimes, even after cleaning, your car might still have issues like rough idling, poor acceleration, or a persistent check engine light. This could mean your MAF sensor is already damaged and needs replacement. Depending on your car model, a new sensor can cost between $240 and $550. Before replacing, you can test it yourself. While the engine is running, unplug the MAF sensor connector. If the engine stalls, your sensor is working fine. If it keeps running the same, it may be faulty. You can also use an OBD2 scanner to clear any codes and recheck. Remember, regular cleaning often prevents reaching this point. But if cleaning doesn't help, replacing the sensor is better than letting it damage other parts of the engine. It's a small price for long-term reliability and smooth performance. 9. Why cleaning the MAF sensor saves you money. A dirty MAF sensor can silently drain your wallet. When it sends wrong airflow readings to the engine computer, your car injects more fuel than needed. This reduces fuel efficiency by 10 to 20%, meaning you refill your tank more often without realizing why. Over time, that can cost you hundreds of extra dollars every year. Cleaning your MAF sensor, on the other hand, costs less than $10 and takes under 20 minutes. It's one of the cheapest and most effective maintenance jobs you can do yourself. You'll notice better mileage, smoother acceleration, and fewer visits to the gas station. Plus, it helps prevent larger problems like fouled spark plugs or clogged catalytic converters caused by incorrect fuel mixtures. A clean MAF sensor is a small step that leads to big, long-term savings and a healthier engine overall. 10. The science behind why it works. The MAF sensor works using a thin wire or film that heats up as air passes through it. The car's computer measures how much the air cools this wire to calculate airflow. But when dirt or oil builds up on the wire, it can't measure air accurately. The computer then injects too much or too little fuel, causing poor performance, rough idling, and wasted gas. When you clean the sensor, the wire can sense airflow correctly again, allowing your engine to breathe normally. This means your car runs smoother, accelerates faster, and uses fuel more efficiently. The entire process is based on simple physics. Clean air equals better combustion. That's why cleaning such a small part can make such a big difference in how your car performs, feels, and sounds while driving. 11. Common mistakes to avoid. While cleaning a MAF sensor is simple, some common mistakes can cause serious damage. First, never use WD-40, brake cleaner, or carb cleaner. They leave residue or strip the protective coating inside. Always use a dedicated MAF cleaner spray. Second, never touch the tiny wires or film inside. They're extremely fragile and can break with even a soft touch. Third, don't reinstall the sensor before it's fully dry, or you might short-circuit your car's electronics. Also, make sure to follow the airflow direction marked by the arrow on the sensor body when reinstalling it. Lastly, don't wait years between cleanings. Dust builds up faster than you think. Avoiding these simple mistakes ensures your MAF sensor lasts longer, performs accurately, and keeps your car running smoothly and efficiently for years. Cleaning your MAF sensor takes just minutes, but delivers big results. It boosts fuel efficiency, restores engine power, reduces emissions, and prevents costly repairs.